All right, you're very welcome to this class again today. So, having dropped my last teaching on setups, let me do a perfect illustration on that using the gold. So, a picture of what I have here is the gold. This is the gold. I'm looking at the modeling picture of gold. So, I've drawn my trend line. I'm looking at gold. So, this is gold, So, with gold, I can actually move my trend line, support becoming resistance. So, if I go to the weekly, what I have here is as simple as what everyone could expect. I have price retesting my previous support on the trend line. If you look right, you can actually notice that I have price retesting this area of value right here. I just mark it with this. Now, what do I expect again? I expect price to come down to this point and do a retest for the second time. Once it does that, what else do I want? I just go long. So looking at this, there's been a retest right here. There's been a retest down here. You watch that very well. There's been a first retest. Now I'm actually expecting a second retest. But it has done that already because price is testing that zone. So what I do now, going to my daily, I can actually wait for the right price action to go long. So can see that I have a bullish candle. Friday's candle closed bullish. So I'm actually expected to buy here. So I can actually expect perfect price action here, which once I have it, I go long. So the first tap on this trend line, let me just move back. My first tap on the trend line, which is down here, I also expect second tap down here. What do? I now go long. Now, if you also look at it very well, you can see that just from the same weekly, notice that yes, that the present, notice that the previous high is totally lower than the present. Now look at this. That's what you just look at. Okay, let me clean that again. Let me just clean that again. Let me just clean that again. Let me use this. We pay focus on this. This is how we pay our focus. So I'm looking forward to buy here. But I must have it in mind that yes, there's been a first tap down on this trend line. I also expect a second tap. So once that happens, I go long. So on the 4 hours, notice that yes, currently the price is higher than the zone which I've marked out. That makes this trade valid. It makes it valid. Now, this is just an illustration of perfect illustration of what I've shown in my previous class. Price making higher highs and then also making lower lows. So this is a perfect bullish setup for a buy position on gold for the next coming week. So thank you so much as you practice this routine.